Hi guys, Yang here, and we have another airdrop for today. This is Vana Data Hero. So, what is Vana Data? This is a user-owned AI through user-owned data backed by Polychain, CB Ventures, and they call it the home of the data DAO. Right now, they have almost 150,000 followers. So, konti pa lang yan, and we still have more time to earn more tokens and more points or refer our friends to join this project as well. So here's what we can do here sa Savannah Data Hero sa mini app nila. Or, yan. Makita nyo dito guys. Makita nyo, ayan. So, we can do these challenges here, which is data labeling, refer a friend. Yan, that's additional 1,000 Vana if we were able to invite our friend and they signed up using our referral link. We will earn additional 1,000 Vana points. And then we can also add testnet to wallet that which I was already completed. Right now, I have 1,000 na token, na points dito sa challenges na to. You can just click dyan guys. I-click nyo lang yung green na button na yan and then you will go through directly sa link. Sa like this one. Connect wallet daw. So, magpa-pop up lang yan and then click mo lang connect wallet. Pero right now kasi, it's not work. Ayan. Okay na pala. So, pipili lang tayo ng wallet na gusto nating i-connect dito sa mini-bot nila. For me, I think I will choose BitGet kasi madali lang si BitGet. Yung MetaMask kasi is that napakatagal niya mag-load. So, hintayin mo pala siya ng ilang minuto. Click nyo lang approve. Yan. So, I think it's connected already. Yan, completed na guys. And once you have completed the task, yung points naman is madadagdag agad doon sa balance ninyo. Next naman is connect Telegram wallet. Connect nyo lang yung Telegram wallet ninyo dito. And then, faucet Vana token. Yan, ito yung mga task guys. Pero let's try this data labeling. Ayan, so this is, play for up to 50,000 Vana. What we will do here is identify if this person or if this face is real or AI generated. So, kanina kasi I have already tried this one, pero I will, yan, tulad nito guys. If you think that this face is AI generated, click nyo lang yung red. And then if it's real naman, i-click nyo lang yung real. So I think it's real, maybe? Oops. Oh, that's additional 200. Now, next naman is, I think this one is AI generated. Oh. I think this one is AI generated. Oh no. Ayan guys, so you can do this task if you have time, if you're bored. Yan. Is this person real? I think it's AI. Oh, incorrect. This one is AI. Incorrect. AI. Oh no, sobrang hirap niya guys kasi hindi mo talaga malalaman if it's real kasi parang pareho lang yung real at mga AI generated, diba? So try this one with AI. Ay, sobra. May tatlo pa ako, pero this one is AI. Yan. Next, I guess it's real. Next AI. Oops, ayan guys. So, pwede nyong gawin siya guys. And then, marami pang ibang challenge dito actually. Task nila. So, click nyo lang view all. Yan. Pero dito guys dito sa sa task na to, you will not be able to do all tasks if you haven't done at least 3. So kung hindi nyo pa nagawa yung 3 na challenges, kahit anong challenges na yan, basta nakatapos kayo ng 3, ma-unlock nyo. If not, hindi nyo pa siya makikita. So yan. Follow Cleo for launch update. Oops, yan. Marami dito guys task. Basta magtapos lang kayo ng 3 task, you will be able to see this one. So, next naman natin is dito sa jackpot nila, sa weekly jackpot nila. Tulad nito, right now I have 7,700 VANA. Pero hindi nyo guys makikita yung task na to, or you will not be able to participate if you don't connect your Telegram wallet. So, since I have connected my wallet already, makikita ko na siya at pwede na akong mag-join sa weekly jackpot nila. Yan guys. So, sa pag-refer naman ng friend ninyo, dito lang sa my plus, yan. I-click nyo lang yung referral link ninyo and then send it to your friends, to social medias. Yun nga, pag may nag-sign up using your referral link, you will earn additional 1,000 Havana points. That's it for today, guys. And madali lang naman siya. Yung ibang task is medyo hindi pa functional kasi nga bago lang siya, so marami pa mga bugs and issues na may experience ng mga users. But this is worth to try as well. Yan guys, tulad lang din siya sa mga airdrop bot na ginawa natin previously. So, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on my next video. And by the way guys, please subscribe to this channel so that we can upload more step-by-step crypto tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.